How's it going, guys? Adam here, and today we got the request by the legend himself, official Mike. Adam react to YTP Torrance guys has a beehive in his ass. Oh boy, you guys, you're weird YTPs. I love it though. Guys, I got the video up right here. This is YTP Torrance guy finds a beehive up his ass. Find a beehive up your ass. That's not gonna be a good day. Your life is ruined, to be honest. Further ado, guys, let's just dive into this weirdosity poop. 3, 2, 1, take it away. Beehive's up my ass. Come on, take it away. There we go.
Dad, is that a Mickey Mouse t-shirt?
Oh, I think I know this.
Yes! Tonight, Unsolved Mysteries! I've caught the code 19!
Oh, no. Oh. Too super COVID joke. Nah, we screwed, man. We're screwed.
What do you want for breakfast?
Oh yeah, now this is the guy where it's like, oh fuck.
Oh, fuck you! Dear.
Oh my god. As much as I want to do that sometimes with my relatives, family members interrupting my shit, I gotta be nice. Can't do that.
He used to
I
be
can't do that.
on TV.
I want to touch his dick!
Now the winning pick 4 numbers. 0.
F!
What the hell? These are like videos from the 1990s. F.
0. The 5
No.
numbers. 0.
Piss!
0.
Holy shit! Where's the house?
Why is this so?
You're over here, Dad, in this bag.
Go over here! Ow! Fuck!
There it is. There it is.
I love my grandma.
Fuck. What?
Sweetest person in the entire world. God bless her.
God bless her. Proceeds to call grandma.
93 years old, you only turn off. Fuck you! Fuck the phone!
Oh, wait. No, do not. Oh, there it is. There it is. Bob Saget. Is that where that came from? This guy, Bob Saget? Oh, man. Oh, man, this is the worst.
Are you shitting me? Fuck Widow. Update!
Oh, my God.
Twitch! I love you! Why don't you eat my ass? Or cock? We're gonna fuck or what?
Yo, no. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This is stupid as fuck, but that's awesome. I love it.
It's about 10 minutes ago.
What the? Okay, what is this guy? Now you gotta fuck up. Or Waterbottle's gonna fuck you.
I was in the car taking a shit!
What is this guy? These clips look like it's from the 90s. Was there like a YouTube in the 90s I didn't know about? And there's this series, man. Oh my gosh.
Holy shit! Fuck! Asshole!
Sorry.
Call!
Hey,
Call! W. As in, where's the paper towels? P. As in, pissed off
Pigs.
Puerto Rican.
Oh my
C.
God, Jesus
As
Christ.
in, fucking taking a shit! B. As in, bitch! P. As in, sperm!
Wow, this is just stupid.
God damn it, these fish sticks are hard as tits! J. As in, Josh!
Josh.
Eat my shit! I'd like it to my ass!
This is so stupid. That's great though.
Ass.
Oh.
Fuck! What is this shit?
Hey.
Kiss my ass!
That was a good poop. I like that. It was stupid, but funny as fuck.
Dad's on the floor.
Shit, this is what?
Alright guys, thank you so much Mike for the request. That was a good poop. Torrance guy finds Beehive up his ass. Hey, I can relate a little bit. I've been stung by the Executioner Wasp, Warrior Wasp. Thank you so much Mike, that was an awesome request. That was actually funny. You know what? I had good laughs out of it. And because of that, I'm gonna go with fuck it, I'm gonna go with an 8 out of 10. I had a good time watching that. Thank you so much for that request again, Mike. And as always, guys, if you like these videos, if you have any requests, feel free to put it in the comments below. As always, guys, I will see you on the next one. Peace.